Hi again, Kevin Gallagher from Momentum Performance Coaching, and welcome to our 12 days to Christmas vlog. This is day 5, so just 1 week now to the big day. A nice fast and easy tip today.
On the 5th day of Christmas, my true love sent to me.
Now Christmas is the time for giving and sharing, so why not give someone a referral? That's right, send someone you know someone else's way so they can do business together. And if you're not sure who you can give referrals to, why not contact your 10 best customers and ask them, who would you like referrals to? And what does a great referral look like for you? Now this might sound a little bit odd when we talk about Christmas and about it being the time of giving, but what you'll find is that when you give, at some time in the future, you'll be rewarded. Referrals are just like a boomerang. You throw them out there and sooner or later they arrive back to you. They come back through the principle of reciprocation. And so by giving a referral now, you're filling your metaphoric bucket or your metaphoric pipeline for the future. Because one day the favour will be returned. And if you can't give referrals, then why not give a testimonial? Let people know that you've had a great experience doing business with someone. Post on social media, send them one by email, give them a video testimonial, let others know just how good these people are to deal with. And once again, you're more than likely to get one back. So it's Christmas time, a time for giving. So go give without expectation, and you'll be pleasantly surprised at just what comes back. And sometimes what comes back may not be from the person who you gave the referral to, and that's the magic. It just always comes back. It only works, so give it a go. You'll thank me later. I'll see you tomorrow for Christmas tip number 6. Now go out there and have a cracking day.